And this is part 2 of our stop motion animation extravaganza. This first video in part 2 comes to us from 6th grader Nugent, who combines chess with several different classic games. See if you can spot them all. This next video comes to us from a 6th grader, David, and he took things in a different direction. He decided to make a PowerPoint. And our final stop motion animation is our last expert level animator. They have their own YouTube channel, and this is 4th grader AJ with his stop motion animation taken right from his YouTube.